Hey guys, this is a quick tutorial on HighCom user portal. On this demo we're gonna show this portal. Okay, so we'll start in inbox section. The inbox section will show you either an incoming faxes or an incoming voicemails, and you can filter it out by the type. Okay, if you want to see only faxes, you can click that and then click apply. We do not have any incoming faxes yet on this system, so it will show only voicemail at the moment, and you can play that. Also, you can decide what you want to do. You can have to add a note, download, forward it via email, or delete that recording. Okay, now we'll jump to the call section. In the call section, you will see inbound calls. Under inbound calls, you will see all incoming calls. You will be able to filter and search for a specific call by filter the number, the caller number, okay, and time frame. Also by type, and also filter by a number. Also, you can choose the extension was answering the call. Beside that, you will be able to click on this button and download all call logs into Excel sheet. You can go to outbound calls and see all outbound calls. It was made from the system. Okay, you can see the call was connected. The person who made this call, it was 701. Also, you will be able to click this button and see more information. Filter and look for a specific call. Recorded call will present all calls that were recorded on the system and easily play them. Hello? Okay. If you wish, you can always click on the info button, download it, the recording, forward it via email, or delete the recording. Let's jump to the extension section. Under the extension section, you will see a department extension which stands for department ring groups. Okay. Under this section, you will be able to decide who is going to be getting these calls. You can add easily another number. You can click any extension. It was pre-configured, and then click create. Once you have that, to edit, if you want to decide what is going to be the period of time that this user is going to be receiving calls, you can have also a custom schedule. Beside that, you can decide on the time that it's going to ring on this user phone, and also you can decide what do you want to display to this user, so he will know that this call is very important to be answered. Also, you can decide if you want to announce the user before he's receiving the call. Done. If you want to turn off any user, it's simple by toggle this to off. Okay, there are other options available, also voicemail of this department. If nobody was answering this call, you can decide that this department will be receiving a voicemail, and you can choose who is going to be the person who's going to receive this notification. If you want to have more than just one user, by adding another email and click update. Okay, now the user will be getting not just a notification, he will be getting a copy of the actual voicemail. If you want to just to notify the user that there is a new voicemail, just click notify and click update. Employees extension, and it works pretty the same. You will just click add it, and then in this section you can see all needed information. Okay, you can decide if the user will be using a SIP phone, okay, and if this user should be recorded, and if we're going to allow a call forwarding of this user. Very simple. This is the number that we're going to be forwarding calls to in case that the user was not answering the call. Choose if this user going to be an admin or going to be admin only for specific users. Voicemail greeting, very simple. You click the new greeting, you either upload file or record a new file. You can see in this window that you can actually scan and use a mobile app easily by clicking this section for each user. Here you can declare how long you want it to be ring on his mobile app, and you can choose the caller ID that comes out when this user going to be dialing out. You can easily send faxes from this section. Okay, if you want, here you will see all faxes logs. If you want to send, you will just click the send button put the number you want to send the file, choose the file, click send, and you're good to go. WebRTC allowing us, so the user can use actually the web browser to make and receive calls from his extension. Let's jump to the settings section. We'll see the account section. Under the account settings, you will see all the information of this specific account. Also, we will be managing greeting, auto attended. You can record it here, download it, upload it. After hours, you can decide here what is the time, the working hours of your business. We can manage all of our DATs simply by click on edit and choose what are the forwarding options we want to set. So currently, if we're going to ring this number, it's going to be ringing on extension 1. Okay, we can set it up differently. We can set it out to main greeting, which is stand for the auto attended. We can also declare what we want to see when we're getting an incoming call. Do we want to see the caller of the caller number, or do we want to see the actual number that was dialed, which is the 239 number? Also here for voicemail, we're going to choose if we want to have a copy or we want to have only notification of a missed call and a voicemail. Also, we can set up music on hold. A tag to this number, we'll just place a tag here, we'll click save, and now it will be easier for us to manage that. Music on hold. Here, simply same way, we can upload or record a file. We can choose if we want to change. We can always play the music on hold to listen to it. Under the billing section, okay, you can see your balance and you can choose your credit card information, so it will be draft automatically. Call block. Call block stands for a number that you don't want to ring on your system anymore, or area codes, or number that you don't want to be blocked. Under the user section, you can definitely add more users. You can decide if it's a basic user or if it's an admin. Okay, if this admin going to be managing also billing or only the system. Under extras, you can add more features or disable features.